Hello there, my name is Maja Plevel and I'm the CEO of SLOmotion. Our slogan is "Čez slovensko idilo na slastno kosilo," which translates to "Through the Slovenian paradise for a delicious lunch." We are students attending the third year of Ljubljana School of Economics. Our main focus is traveling through Slovenia while discovering its most beautiful hidden parts. We focus on all sorts of clients, taking the elderly on amazing trips to having busy families completely relaxed. What sets us apart from the rest? We even offer online deals and special virtual trips and sport activities.
In this company, we treat every worker equally, as long as they work as much as they're supposed to. We also gain a lot of experience about the outside world and how the companies around us actually work.